बंदे को धंधा मिलता है, धंधे को नहीं. I've realized people older to you listen to you more than the younger ones. मेरे को धंधा BNI ने सिखाया है. From one branch they have gone to 5 branches.
So BNI has been doing a lot of, flagship events. What is it that we can be excited for this year?
Unique for you, like something out of the box which we are known for.
हीरे की सही परख वो जौहरी को हो जाती है, तो हमें पता है हमारी जौहरी पे हमें विश्वास है. We are going to have something brand coming.
नकली माल नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं मिलेगा. Hello everyone, this is Prati Sharma and I welcome you to this episode of Amazing Fables. Your network is your network. हम सभी ने ये सुना है और आज जो हमारे साथ गेस्ट आने वाले हैं उन्होंने इस फील्ड में अपने एक ऐसा नाम बनाया है, एक ऐसी पहचान बनाई है जिसको हम सब भूल नहीं सकेंगे. Introducing you to the Karan Johar of Northeast, Siddharth Karodia, the Executive Director of BNI Guwahati, who has been giving wings, who has been giving platform to the dreams of different entrepreneurs and making them aspire for more. Hi Siddharth, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. You've already made it very grand for us. You like Karan Johar?
Yes, a little.
Yes. So हमारे Bollywood fraternity में Karan Johar is the one, who gives wings to the dreams of the debutants. And Guwahati में I think हमारे Karan Johar तो आप ही हैं. Who has been actually giving wings to so many entrepreneurs, giving them the aspiration to dream big. How does this feel?
This feels amazing, of course, when we look at success stories of people, and when we hear success stories, and when you see that spark in their eyes when they are saying that. So that's what you live for.
Right. So you have been into this business since the last 6-7 years. 7 years. Wow, long time. And did a 10-year younger Siddharth ever think कि वो एक दिन 600-700 business entrepreneurs को जो already कितने साल से business कर रहे हैं उनको mentor कर रहा होगा, उनको नए रास्ते दिखा रहा होगा? Did he ever think so?
So when I look back, I of course never thought of it. And if you ask about it, the 7 years journey has been fantastic. And the best part was ये पता नहीं था कि इस profession में public speaking की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Only 7 days prior to my first session, I came to know कि ये करना पड़ेगा और उसमें कोई script भी नहीं थी. And the second meeting was for 100 people.
Wow.
So yeah, never thought of, but yeah, when you see, discuss ideas with people, and when you see them getting that success, it feels always amazing.
Very nice. How did this BNI, this networking concept, how did it happen to you?
So it just so happened, one of my uncles was sitting with us, me and my dad, and they were like, he was like, there's a new concept which he had recently joined in 2018. That this is a concept and you can look for it. It's not in Guwahati. And like, yeah, I was looking for something which is very unique, which is out of the box. I was looking for a long time. So yeah, it really fancied me, and I was like, let's give it a shot. Why not? And then suddenly the networking word came into our lives.
Yes. And आज वही सबसे important word रह गया, I believe.
आज वही सबसे important word रह गया, actually.
Very nice. So you come from a proper Marwari business background, right?
Correct.
And from that to this as a career option, जहाँ पे आपको लोगों से मिलना है, उनको networking करने के लिए encourage करना है. So what was this transition like? Family से support कैसा था? And did you face any challenge and all of it during the entire journey?
No challenge as such. Family was quite supportive. Once I came to know a little about thing, I knew there will be a lot of travel and there will be a lot of time commitment. So before taking it up, I had asked my family, my parents, mom, dad, wife, and the best part was we were expecting that time.
Wow.
So BNI and my baby, 7 years old again now, so they happened at the same time. There was no challenge, but yes, as I said, that public speaking thing was one of the things. एक time तो ऐसा लगता था कि यार everything is good, but this public speaking should not happen because रात भर बैठ के उसका तैयारी करना, and that was not me. So yeah, the journey has been fantastic. But 7 years, yeah, made a lot of relations, made a lot of friends, and I myself learned a lot in this journey.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. सो बीएनआई में हम सबको सुबह जल्दी आना होता है, राइट? वर यू ऑलवेज अ अर्ली राइजर और
So never we were people, we used to party 5 days a week. So of course after you party 5 days a week, you cannot
wake up
wake
early?
up early in the morning. And दुकानदारी का काम था उस समय, तो it used to start at 10:30 and not 7:30 as of now. So अभी दुकानदारी 7:30 शुरू होती है, उस समय 10:30 शुरू होती है, तो life was easy.
हाँ,
नीचे दुकान ऊपर मकान वो था, तो
हाँ.
it was very easy. But yeah, now it's going good. Yeah.
It's going good. So from partying 5 days a week to waking up on
Early in
time
the
and
morning.
being there at every meeting, so it has been a good journey for you.
Yeah, it has been more than good. I will say it has been a transforming journey for me.
Right, right. People usually say that the successful ones are those who actually wake up early. मतलब ये थ्योरी ही है, मैंने हर सक्सेसफुल इंसान के बारे में सुना और पढ़ा है. And yes, I can see the right testimonial right in front of me. So अगर लोग आज नेटवर्किंग समझते हैं, लोगों को नेटवर्किंग लगता है कि सिर्फ मिलना है, बातचीत करना है, अपने बिजनेस के बारे में बताओ, उनके बारे में जानो. They think it to be so easy, so vague. Do you think networking, this is all about networking?
So I feel networking is, and one liner that I always use, बंदे को धंधा मिलता है, धंधे को नहीं. So networking is how someone remembers you after 6 months even.
Right.
So how you've cracked that first conversation, आपने उससे क्या बात की, आपने उसको क्या बताया है, so on and so forth. So yes, it's not only about meeting people, it's about how you build a relation with them. And one major question that we always have, how may I help you?
Right.
So that also helps a lot in networking.
Very nice, very nice. So after BNI here in Guwahati, we have seen a lot of other organizations also coming in, and बहुत जन को ऐसा लगता है कि it is very easy to be another सिद्धार्थ करोलिया. क्या करना है, सिर्फ एक मीटिंग ही तो करानी है. So do you think it is so easy to manage so many things, so many people at the same time?
Yes, it is easy. I'll say सबको ये बोलते हैं कि यार how do you manage so many people? Like I don't manage. So as our CEO always says, no one manages BNI. We always follow the line. We also always follow the line. And I always envy the people who have actually started networking, because in this way we all are creating a market for the same.
Right.
And so it's amazing. Everyone has their own agendas, and I'm sure everyone is doing fantastic job. And I'm always happy to see networking happening in the city. So yeah, why not?
Very nice, very nice. So we spoke about the 10 years younger Siddharth, right? Now, if I talk about the 10 years older Siddharth, where do you see yourself 10 years down the line?
So of late, people have started telling me that you've started looking 10 years younger. So I don't know how to answer that question. 10 years down the line, see, it's always, you feel always amazing when you make a difference in people's life. So 10 years down the line, I always see myself how I can maximize this thing of mine, how you can, create a difference in people's life, and which is actually, I see it happening with people. So yeah.
Very nice. What I believe about you, और जितना मैं आपको जान पाई हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you are a man of target. मतलब आपको अपने लिए वो target end goal set करने का एक habit है. That I want it to be maybe a 500 or 600 इतने chapters. So does this target setting mechanism work for you? How do things fall in place for you?
So I think target is just a finish line. I always believe in क्या बोलते हैं ना, 3 Idiots का जो एक डायलॉग है, काबिल बनो, कामयाबी अपने आप आपके पीछे दौड़ेगी.
Right, yes.
So do your work with honesty and things will fall in place.
Very nice. So today you are dealing with almost like 10 chapters.
Yeah.
With different people of different age groups. कुछ आपसे बहुत बड़े हैं, कुछ आपसे आपके आधी उम्र के हैं. एंड अगर हम एक ऑफिस सेटअप की बात करें तो वहां पे हम वो 10 लोगों की टीम को भी ढंग से, मतलब इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू एक्चुअली गेट देम वर्किंग, चाहे आप उनके लिए ही अच्छा बोल रहे हो क्यों ना. जब हम ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बात करते हैं एज BNI एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ सो मेनी मेंबर्स टुगेदर, डोंट यू एवर फील कि यार एक कम्युनिकेशन गैप, आपको कभी नहीं लगता कि यार मैं इसको कैसे बोलूं कि आपको ये बेटर करना चाहिए, जो आपसे उम्र में ज्यादा है, जो आपसे छोटा है उसको तो आप आराम से बोल सकते हो, बट पीपल हु आर elder to you with experience as well as age. So how do we handle that?
So I've realized people older to you listen to you more than the younger ones.
Yes. हाँ.
So this is one thing, and ये हमारा काम का सबसे best part है, making people follow the structure, system and stuff for their benefit, of course. It's not a challenge, but yes, I've seen patience works, and once people understand and they follow themselves, you don't have to say anything. So yeah, for us, stories, live examples do really work, and you'll always get those 33, 33, 33.
Very
So
nice.
I always work on that funda, 33% each of every 33 will do everything, 33 will be okay, and 33 neither they will do anything or they will let you do anything. So yeah.
So in your 7 years of journey, which is there any success story of any of the members of or anything that makes you feel good about what you do? कि यार ये हुआ BNI की वजह से. You can
N
multiply.
numbers of them. Few people were like, मेरे को धंधा BNI ने सिखाया है. From one branch they have gone to 5 branches. Just a BNI pin got an internet guy, like internet service provider, 2.5 crores of business just because of the pin, that too in Shillong, because he was
Wow.
wearing the pin and that person knew BNI. N number of stories. People have a lot of gratitude, and of course it looks, मतलब देख के मजा आता है. Because whenever I am in a meeting, I'll just do a gratitude round or a success story round. And when things come out of there, कितने लोग, मतलब I would say at least we have had close to 1100 members individual. Whatever the strength, active strength is today, that's a different thing. 11 to 1200 members. I would say 25%, for 25% of them, like 250 of them, BNI has played a massive role in growing their business. In making जो थे वो जहाँ से BNI से उनको जो मिला, BNI has played a massive role. So yeah.
Superb. So मैं भी इस organization को obviously part हूँ, and I have felt this that it makes your personal brand somewhere. People get to know you. So indeed, people have a lot to be grateful for. Very nice. Your wife has also joined you in this business, right? What has her contribution been? What has her support been for you all throughout?
So of course, Neha being on the side is always amazing. And her job description in day one was to mentor me and guide me if I am going wrong somewhere. So yeah, having her on the team really added a lot of value for me. So yeah, it's just been 3-4 years she has joined, and वो पूछती थी यार मैं करूँगी क्या आके. Then yes, she used to handle social media, and of course I told her that look at me and guide me. So yeah, we'd have a good discussion over a cup of tea that what is happening, what not.
Very nice. So the teamwork makes all the
you-
difference. Very nice. So BNI has been doing a lot of flagship events. What is it that we can be excited for this year?
So of course our Members Day is coming up. So Members Day will be there. We are planning another BizConnect, which was a massive success this time in February. Of course, Enthusia is coming. We are also planning a Premier League for BNI.
Wow.
And I am looking for something unique. So I'm traveling this year for you guys. So let's see if we can get something unique for you. Like, something out of the box which we are known for.
Very nice.
So waiting for the right hit.
Actually, मतलब कहते हैं ना कि वो हीरे की सही परख वो जोड़ी पे हो जाती है, तो हमें पता है हमारी जोड़ी पे हमें विश्वास है. We are going to have something brand coming.
नकली माल नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं मिलेगा. Also, that you are a dad to a beautiful girl who's just 7 years old, who's your baby along with BNI. What is one thing that you would always want your daughter to know, to learn, जो उसके साथ हमेशा उसके लाइफ में रहे?
Same वो 3 Idiots का डायलॉग यार. काबिल बनो, कामयाबी will be behind you always. Do your work with honesty always, and there is no substitute to hard work.
Correct. Yes.
So this is only one thing I'll tell her. Whatever she wants to do, of course she can. So yeah.
Very nice. So that now we'll start with a quick rapid fire with you. All the best. You
Thank
need
you.
to give very quick and short
Do we have
answers.
prizes for that?
The prize is, you're sitting with me right
Oh,
next
sorry.
to me. That's the prize.
That's the prize, biggest prize.
Yes. Okay. How do you define money?
Okay, I'll take time for this. I think
Hmm.
जो आपके day to day के लिए काम है. That's it.
Do you think money is power?
If you think money is power, then something gets on your head, and that is not good.
Very nice. Right. Okay. Are you a cool dad or a strict dad?
I'm in the middle.
You're
So
in the
अभी पीछे में भी बेटी को ड्राइव पे ले जाते हैं.
Hmm.
Then I was like, Dadu says yes for everything and Dad says no. Then she was like, आप समझाते भी तो साथ में. So from there I got to know that I'm in the middle.
Wow, very nice. So your daughter, I think, has already started to become a reflection of you. बात से ऐसा लग रहा है. Okay, what is your definition of growth?
My personal growth is my definition of growth. You
Hmm.
should grow as a person, and you should invest time in yourself. That is growth, because time is changing drastically. We have seen good businesses getting wiped off because of new technology, new ideas. So once you travel, you grow, you have new ideas, you should stay upgraded. That's the growth you have.
Very nice. What is it that you do for yourself for your growth, and what is your investment on yourself?
So I invest on myself in trainings, learning new things, talking to people. So
Hmm.
कोई एक नया term अगर बोलता है, I'll quickly write it down and keep researching and ask
Okay.
them about what it is. So this is what networking is, right? You meet new people, you learn from them. So you would know 10 new things that I don't. So if I sit with you with half an hour, you'll tell me 3, 4, which will be very helpful for me.
Very nice.
So yeah, this is what I do.
Very nice.
I keep observing people on what they are doing or what they are saying and learn from them.
Very nice. If you had a 30-minute slot for yourself every day as your me time, what is it that would just make you happy and relaxed?
Going for a drive,
Okay.
going for a coffee alone,
Okay.
which I do. My Sunday, this is my Sunday religion. I
Okay.
go for a coffee and what else? Maybe a walk over the riverside
Wow.
in peace. Yeah, I was sitting with eyes closed.
Wow. Next time when you go for a coffee, just post on Instagram. We'll also come there.
So I did, and a lot of people started asking me where was it. So I don't want my peace to be hampered.
Makes sense. Makes sense. What is your success mantra?
Do what you enjoy doing. If you are not enjoying what you're doing, आपको ऐसा लगता है यार दुकान जाना पड़ेगा, ऑफिस जाना पड़ेगा, वही सेम चीज, then you should rethink.
Okay. BNI in just a few words. What is it for you?
So कल ही हम एक Zoom session ले रहे थे, उसमें हमने बोला we eat, drink, sleep and breathe BNI. So for me, you cannot get over it.
You cannot get over it. Okay. Who inspires you?
My mom, dad, of course, always. My mentor, and all our members. They really inspire me because the way actually people want a difference in themselves and their business and their lives, it's something inspiring. When I see leaders coming out of the box and coming with ideas, and when I observe them so closely, so yeah, every individual inspires me who's doing good.
Very nice. If you were not in this profession, what would it be?
So होते हैं ना जो कॉर्पोरेट्स में जो पैसा खर्च करते हैं, so I like spending money.
Okay.
Right? कभी जैसे क्रेडिटर्स आपको जीरो मिलेगा मेरा, so I like कि इसको फटाफट खत्म करो. So I would be in some profession where you're spending money.
Very nice. So if you're talking about money, so just asking, are you a saver or are you only into spending, or do you believe that savings is important?
Of course, I do save. One good financial agency had told that income minus saving and then you expense.
Superb. Very nice. One tip that you would give to the audience here.
One tip. So किसी ने मेरे को बहुत सही चीज बोला था कि tip you get only in restaurants. So I will not do that.
Amazing, Siddharth. It was an amazing rapid fire with you, and we are very grateful that you were here with us. I'm sure the audience would get to know a lot of insights जो उनको शायद आपके बारे में पता भी थी, शायद नहीं भी पता थी. So We are very happy to have you on board.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prachi. It
Thank
was an amazing session.
So, guys, I'm sure you loved this episode, full of insights and full of inspiration for each one of you. Thank you for watching with us till the end. And do subscribe to our channel. Do share this with your friend, with your family, and with anyone who you think can get a lot of info from here. Thank you. एकदम नीट एंड टाइडी रहने वाला होता है. आप ये ब्लेजर पहन लेगा तो फिर टी-शर्ट
घर पे रहता
दिखेगा
ना.
ही नहीं बिना फ्लेमिंगो. अभी कुछ भी नहीं है. ऑल द बेस्ट. हम आपका इंट्रोडक्शन में एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज सुबह सोच रहे थे.
तुम्हारा इंटरेस्टिंग से डर लगता है सुनने से हमको, बट ठीक है.
हाँ, और हम क्या बोल रहे हैं कि मतलब एक हम अपने इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी के लिए भी हमको चाहिए हाँ करना पड़ेगा.
कितना स्कूल हो गया अभी?
2.
आएगा हम लोग जल्दी. पूछो क्यों? बीएनए प्रमोट करने. किंडरगार्टन स्कूल्स को बच्चा लोग को बीएनए मेंबर बनाएगा अभी.
इस
Check.
साल से ही किया है सब कुछ. लेट्स सी.
वास्तव वाला टीका लगा लेंगे हम. वास्तव वाला टीका.